What's the biggest reason why leads never get closed? It's because there's no follow-up. Imagine if your CRM could instantly follow up on your behalf, right at the right moment, and for your reasons. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use ChatGPT, HubSpot, and Zapier to create a fully automated follow-up system through AI, without any coding. Welcome to Know How Academy, where we learn AI and automation to help you grow smarter. Today, we will build an AI-powered CRM system that will detect in HubSpot. When a lead turns to gold, it will write a personalized follow-up using ChatGPT and automatically send it through Gmail. By the end of the video, you'll have a ready-to-use system that works 24/7. So for this, you'll need a free ChatGPT account. I have an OpenAI account like this, so you can go there and get its API. Then you'll need a Zapier account, so let me go back and show you. This is our Zapier account, which you can use for free. Next, you'll need a HubSpot account to save your contacts. Something like this, and optionally, you can connect Salesforce or Airtable for advanced tracking. So let's take a look at that now. First of all, let's start with what we need to do first. We need to go to HubSpot. This is my HubSpot. Here, you need to go to Contacts, this Contacts section. After going into Contacts, you have to create a new contact. Alright, so when I create a contact, here you need to fill in your name and everything. Let me go back and show you this. Yes, now my first name is done and last name is done. Alright, here you can give me the job title, developer. Okay, you can enter the phone number. I can enter the phone number. So if I want to enter it, not as US but as India, 91, and here I am entering the phone number. You can enter the phone number. Alright, life cycle. You need to keep it as leads so that your leads keep coming in. And if you want to set the lead status, you can keep it as in progress. That's what I normally upgrade it to. Now, after creating, you need to make a custom property called follow-up. How will that be created? Let me show you. You need to go back. Alright, after going back, let me show you in contacts. After coming into contacts, you'll see the settings option. You need to go into settings. After going into settings, you need to scroll down, and here you'll see the properties option. Here, in properties, you need to create a property called follow-up needed. Let me show you follow-up by creating follow-up needed. You must have seen this one is mine, so if I check, I'll edit the property. But what you need to do is create a new property. In create property, you have to give the property a name. What will be its object, its group, and what should its description be? Fill these out properly. After that, in the field type, you need to select checkbox here. Choose this single checkbox option, and then click apply and create. So I already have it, but once this is done, you'll see the option here, and then you just need to click here. Alright, that's been clicked. Now, if I want to manage access, for that you'll need to get its premium access. But for me, even less than that will work. Now after this, you need to go to JP Morgan. Then, after going to JP Morgan, you have to create a job. And now here, you need to add a trigger here with the name HubSpot. So I'll go to trigger and look for HubSpot here. See, HubSpot has come up. Now in this, let's choose the event. Our event will appear in this. Contact. Select this and continue, and then choose the value. See, the value has appeared here. Now I need to choose the value. I'll select the value from here. Like my follow-up needed. See, follow-up needed has come up. Now you just need to continue. After you continue, you need to create a field. You need to add this same trigger with a delay for those whose email has been delayed for 48 hours and who haven't responded yet. So for those who haven't responded within 48 hours, you'll need to create a filter and a delay option. So here, you can see the delay option. Here is the delay option. Here you choose event by delay for, then continue. Here, I'll set it to 48 hours. Okay, for 2 days. That's done. And let's continue and test the steps so that it gets verified. See, it's done. Now I'll do one more thing here. I need to add a filter here. What the filter will do is, it will only add those for whom follow-up is needed. See, we've reached here. Now we need to add a step here, and I need to add a filter here. What the filter will do is, it will only act on those follow-up leads that have that field inside. So here I'll do it by email. Alright, select email by and the condition should be Boolean true, repeated, and only pass it forward when it's true. Let's take that. See, it's here. Your Zap would have continued for this, and click on continue. Now our next step is to add OpenAI. So I'll go to my OpenAI ChatGPT. Here, you need to set the event to send prompt, the prompt that you want to send. Alright, I'll continue here with this. And now you have to enter a prompt here. If I have it, I'll show you this one. Write a professional follow-up email to your first name who showed interest in your service but has not responded since the last contact date. So, after a 48-hour delay, for those who haven't responded, you need to follow up and encourage them to reply with any questions or concerns they might have. Then select the temperature between 0.5 to 1, and with just that, you need to continue. So that's done. Let's do the test step. This is done. Now we need to add another step here, which is to send it via email. So I'll do it here and send the email. Send email and continue. And in this we'll add the subject, which will be response. Okay. I'll set it as response. The body should be plain. And where will it take this from? Alright. First name, Ansh. He is in service research. Break time equals 0.5s /. The date should be, the exact date is October 5th, 2025. That's done. After doing this, you need to click on continue and test this step. That is, you need to give the address to CCN address. So I'll go, and the response is done. But to whom it should go, we haven't added that yet. enshkapur08@gmail.com and then continue. And let's thoroughly test this particular step to see if it's actually working or not. And as you can see, it's successfully done. Break time equals 0.5s /. Now I go to my email and refresh it. So see, I have received a response saying, you have not got any response till yet, so it will give you interest. Alright, so along with this, it shows how beneficial it is for you that if someone doesn't respond to your service within 48 hours, then some spam emails and some normal emails will come into your inbox like this. But the point here is, where is this actually used in a real-world use case? Agencies can use this to reconnect with cold leads. Coaches can also use this to send discovery call reminders or reminders to clients. It's for e-commerce businesses to send order confirmations, and for SaaS developers who want to onboard inactive users. One agency achieved a 22% higher reply rate with this setup. So what you need to do is use Path for customization, and use GPT for replies in this. And in this, you can sync Slack for real-time alerts, add UTM links to track open rates in emails, and connect a dashboard with Notion or Airtable for centralized data. Now you've built an AI-powered CRM follow-up system without any code, without any stress. If you found this valuable, subscribe to NoHo Academy and comment follow-up so you can get free templates and ChatGPT prompts. In the next video, I'll show you how to automate client proposals using ChatGPT plus a table. Thank you for choosing NoHo Academy, your source of IT knowledge. We're always here to help you navigate your way to the